Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Teardown, and I downloaded I added a lot of I make dog. Yeah, I added a dog companion mod, and also yeah. Oh yeah, jetpack. I added jetpack. I yeah, I'm trying to I forgot the button for it. I found it. Okay, yeah. I have uh oh, there's a bone. Yeah. Okay. Well, there. I have a minigun. It's not working. You want in? Yeah. Yeah. The minigun's not working. The laser gun. Yeah, laser gun. Yeah. Okay. Um. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, up here, classic cars. Fantastic. It's the only way they use it. Steal the deal 2 and Gloria whistle. Okay, steal some cars. Got it. Alright, there's a banana bomb. I forgot about that banana bomb. I don't know what, I don't know. I've completely forgot all these controls. Okay, that's... Okay, it's that. Okay, over here. So I need a... There. And then there's a, oh, and then on there. Okay. I gotta see those. If this minigun, okay, how does, the escape vehicle, I think is this the escape vehicle? No! Watch out the, hey, it's okay, he's indestructible. Oh, I have to drive the car in, okay. So I have to get over. You okay? Yeah, he's indestructible, I think. He should be good. Open up. This minigun doesn't work. I will use. Oh yeah, I saw the attack jump. Okay, bro. Okay, I finally. Oh, I just want to make an explosion. Oh, oh. Why won't it? Put the fire out. I didn't want to get. Okay, so there's a car on this boat. Oh. Well, that's just great. I have to make a path. What? Fell the wrong way. Do I have, okay, don't want to do that. I just probably want to shoot these boxes. Okay. And then the other vehicle's over here. So it's this vehicle. Okay. So this vehicle, I hop in. Yeah, okay, I hop in. I go this way, turn, go, hopefully make that jump, and just go. bus through the woods right here. Okay, I just destroy this then. Go. Okay. I come through here, go this way, I think. Oh, I keep forgetting I have a jetpack. I go through here. Okay, so then. Okay, so you go here, turn, and try my best to get in there. Okay. Okay, so I know the vehicle there is attached to it, so I'm gonna have to. It's gonna be hard. This jetpack is probably gonna save my life. Ooh. Can I like open? I can open this. Nice. Nice. Okay. So if I be very careful, because if that breaks, I lose. Oh, if the vehicle breaks, oh, that's not good either. Okay. Yikes. The vehicle's, oh, that's not good. The vehicle's in bad condition. Oh, you just have to get, okay. I didn't know. You just have to touch get the circle. Okay. Go. Get. Go. Hello, dog. Okay, get. Bro. Oh, dog. Okay, I made it. I did it. I did it. Let's go. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna be able to do that. Especially for getting all the. You reach and you make a new another new tool. Ooh, what's the tool? Let me in. What is this? Shotgun. Oh, ooh, let's go. I got a shotgun. Let's go, shotgun. Need a chair, more plants. Okay, good. Wait, I ran out of bullets? Wait. Right! Because because the minigun says how you reload? Is it I don't know the button to reload. Okay. Comment down below if you guys know what button is to reload, because it would be really nice if I knew how to reload. Shotgun. Oh, you can upgrade this stuff? How do you... Okay, short range. Okay, I got good amount of cash, but... I don't know the button. I think I pressed almost every button. Oh, okay, yeah, hello? I don't think I can, use these weapons because okay, yeah, please comment down below if you know how to reload. Uh Anyways, if you guys want to see more, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.